Good afternoon. How's it going, investors? Welcome back to another episode of The Learning Investor. Today, I'm going to talk to you about learning. You never want to stop learning. Always keep learning. I have a saying, the day we stop learning is the day we start dying. I've got a guy that I follow on YouTube that is Old Mike. I don't know if you recognize Old Mike or you know about him. But he's in his early 80s and he's making a YouTube channel. And he has a saying that says, if you ain't dead, you ain't done. So, always keep learning. Always keep using what you learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. A lot of the times, mistakes is the way we learn. If fear keeps us from going forward, the fear of failure. And we're going to fail at some things, no matter whether we try, whatever we want to avoid or whatever, we're going to fail at some things. But as long as we learn from the failure, that means next time we try to do that, maybe it'll be better. We can learn some more. It'll be more successful next time. So, anyways, it's just a quick little video I wanted to do about learning. My channel is about learning. I'm still learning. I'm investing, and I imagine the people that are watching my videos are investing too. If you like what we do on our channel, the videos that I put out, what I talk about, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You get notified as soon as the video goes public. Sometimes I'll do multiple videos, and I'll have them scheduled. And so as soon as they go public, you get notified if you hit that notification bell. And it's all about learning. Sometimes we learn from our successes, and sometimes we learn from our failures. And so the best thing to do is just to keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Just like moving forward here in the woods, or I'm in a field now. But I got the dogs barking at me in the background. They think I'm some strange person. So anyways, I'm learning how to do YouTube videos. I'm learning little by little, learning how to do investing, different things. I just got back from a Bitcoin conference, learned a lot there. Hopefully I can make some videos before too long, sharing what I've learned, the different things that I learned at that conference. And the journey continues. You know, they say it's a marathon, not a sprint. A lot of people, they want to reach goals, and then they reach those goals, and then they think they're done. They're finished. They ain't got to learn anymore. Just put life on cruise control and go forward. Well, actually, we weren't made to sit still. You know, they talk about people who retire and they sit on their couch or their recliner or whatever, watch TV. And they end up dying early because they ain't moving. And one of the things that we can do to keep our brains healthy, to keep our blood and our brain moving. Ooh, there's a spider web right here. Let me go around this. Is to keep learning. Learn new stuff. It's uncomfortable to learn, but it makes new pathways in our brain. I don't know as much as somebody else about investing in crypto, but I'm learning. As a matter of fact, that's the motto of this channel. We don't know it all, but we're learning. And so a lot of the times I'll make mistakes. Don't ever take what I'm saying as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't tell people what to do with their money. We just talk about theory a lot on this channel. There's different ways to think about different things. And I share my journey about how my investments are doing, my experiences so far, and how I feel about things. When it comes to your money, you got to make up your own decision. But we can learn off each other. You learn off my mistakes, because I'll make a lot of them. And learn off of my successes, because I have those too. And share in the comments some of the things that you've learned through your experience. You probably have a lot more experience than I do, or you may be just starting out. I don't know. but we can learn off each other. It's kind of a team effort. When you try to go solo, it can be a long, hard, uphill battle. But if you learn together, if we work together, then we can achieve a lot more, a lot faster. And so let's learn together. But again, there we go. Let me zoom out a little bit. Back in the woods again. I like it in the woods. It's nice, peaceful. I can get away from things for a little while. As long as I don't find a snake around here. It's about that time of year. But anyways, I'm learning. I'm learning what works and what doesn't work on YouTube. Or hopefully I'll be learning what works and what doesn't work on YouTube. I'm trying different things, new ways of doing things. Learning about different investments. Different goals of different investments. What I'm shooting for, what I'm aiming for. How to accomplish those goals. I'm learning what to do in a bear market. What to do in a bull market. What to do when prices are starting to go down. It's going from the bull to the bear. And what to do when it's going from the bear to the bull. Which is, I have a feeling that we may be headed into another bull market before too long. We may still have a little bit longer left in this bear, but we'll find out soon enough. And so we just try different things. Don't be afraid to try. That's how you learn. And so if I didn't try investing, I wouldn't know what I know now. The little that I know, or the lot that I know compared to who you are. And I wouldn't be sharing my experiences on this YouTube channel. That's something else I had to learn that was new. And I'm still learning. Some people are afraid to make a YouTube channel, show their face. My thing is to learn how I sound. I sound different on YouTube than I do in my head. But it's something I had to learn. Never stop learning. Always keep learning. New stuff, new ways, new things. Don't be afraid to try. You know, it's better sometimes to try and fail than never to try at all. Because you can't learn from something that you haven't tried. Now, you can learn from somebody else's experiences. What was it? Was it Ben Franklin? Mark Twain? One of them guys said, it's better to learn off somebody else's mistakes because we ain't got enough time to make them all ourselves. And so, it's okay. Learn off other people's mistakes. Learn off my mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes. Learn off your mistakes. I'm sure you make some mistakes too. Learn off other people's mistakes. But keep learning. And share what you've learned. You know, knowledge, if you're just trying to keep it bottled up, or you keep it to yourself, it don't really help anybody else. You know, they might give you bragging rights that you know stuff. But if you share it, it'll help us all. And together, we can accomplish a lot more than just by ourselves. Anyways, I just want to make a little quick video here on learning. But if you've learned some stuff from my channel, let me know. It'd be encouraging to me. If you've learned some stuff in your investing, let us know. Let us know in the comments. If you like what we're doing, or you like the videos we put out, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll put out some more. So anyways, this has been another episode of The Learning Investor. We don't know it all, but we're learning. So talk to y'all later.